good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Ozzy. This video, I'm basically gonna show y'all a little haircut, self-haircut tutorial. You feel me? Right now, this is what I'm looking like.
Oh,
could use a little lining.
What is that?
Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna give myself a little. Oh my gosh, not the light, bro, please. Oh my gosh, got the light fixed. I just swapped out the light. My main one is junk broke, so it's kind of choppy. But anyways, we're gonna get into the video. I'm just gonna show y'all a cool little self-cut tutorial. This is how my hair looking right now. I got it in a little style right now. And I'm gonna cut the back as well. Cut the back as well. Yeah, I hope y'all can see that, but yeah, man. I'm about to give myself a little chop. Look at this boy John, bro. He talking about seashell. He talking about seashell. Hell show. That's mama show. Lakers at 5K. Oh my back, bro. Look, I was doing deadlifts with my cousin. I'm never doing deadlifts again. It's probably the most pointless exercise. I don't need to do that. I'm not an athlete. I'm not an athlete. But okay, so we starting off with the classic TI liner. This is what I be using my lineups and to set up like a guideline or whatever. And then the clippers I be using are these little fast feeds. Shout out 360 Jeezy. It's the only reason why I got these, because of 360 Jeezy. Start off with creating a guideline right here. So I'm gonna cut off right here and make it just a straight, solid, sharp line. Just to, I know that's kind of loud, but I'm gonna make a straight, solid, sharp line right through there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Matter of fact, but first, before I start anything, I like to comb everything down just to make sure everything's right. You know, you don't want it to be, you don't want no stragglers or anything. So you want everything to be even. So I just like to comb everything down. Now we can start. Be more to our light. But first line done, as you can see, this is just a guideline to start off with. I went and just lined this up. You can cut this off if you want to, but I kind of like having it. I think it just adds to the cut in general. But and I might, well, not even might. I probably will fade it like at the top a little later. But yeah, this is the first step. This is the first step in the tutorial. On to step number 2. Now we switching from the Andis TI liner to the fast feeds or whatever clippers you got. This is just the ones I use. There's probably better clippers than this out there. I just don't want to buy a new one right now. Eventually I will. Like, I'll eventually upgrade my outliner too, but for now it be working. But yeah, enough yapping. Fast feeds, guard. I think this is open. Can't remember. Just whenever the blades are poking out instead of going in. When they're out, I think that's open. But yeah, so we're gonna use. And then we're gonna create another line about like 1 inch from here. And then yeah, now. When you're doing it, you kind of gotta like scoop it. So you just go, you feel me? But yeah, I kind of just do that, and I'll just go back and forth just to like clear some things up. In between, I'll comb it down just to make sure I got the line correct, just so everything's even again. So when I go back, it looks solid. So when you do that line, there'll be like another line under it that will be kind of prominent. I don't know if you can see it right now. Maybe the like light is too blasted on it, but there's like another line. It's like faint right here. You're gonna wanna close the guard. Maybe not all the way, maybe like a little before all the way. And then you're gonna go through and take that line out basically. Okay, so alright, so step 2 is done. You can see, got the first guideline and knocked out that other one. Right now my vein is popping out like crazy. Boy, a little stress, but as you can see, this is the comparison to this side. Chopped, completely chopped. And this side is looking, you know, we building up, slowly but surely. But step 2, close. I think you close it. I don't know, you just push the lever back, and then you're gonna wanna throw on your guards. Before I start doing the next line for the fade, I'm gonna debulk everything. So I'm gonna chop everything down to like a 1, or should I do 1.5? I'm gonna do 1. So this is all gonna come down using I use these purple magnetic and disc guards. I don't know if I'll put a link. I'll try and put a link, maybe. Yeah, this is a one guard. Just use that to chop it down to make everything even. Then we'll start the actual fade from the no guard to like a 1. And usually, since I got dreads, I usually try to like comb the line out, or like, and then separate, and then comb everything down. Just give me a second. It's a little process. So now we're about to use the 1 guard, chop everything down with the 1, and then see how it goes. Remember, before you start, make sure that lever is all the way back. I don't know if that's closed or open, I don't remember, but it needs to be all the way back. So now we debulked. As you can see, much less than like if you compare it to like this side. You see there's a bunch of hair, it's kind of thicker, but then you see this side, it's like, oh, progress. Hopefully that focuses correctly. Now I'm gonna just go through, I'm gonna just comb it down some more, and then we'll get to the next step, the next line. This is what I do in this process for mine. I'm gonna use this 0.5 guard, and really I'm just gonna put the lever all the way, like just a little bit, and then just attack this line right here, just to blend it out into the ball fade. And I don't like how I got white light here, but then I got yellow light here, and this light won't change when I change this one. This light only changes when I have it on the laptop. Okay, and then that's it. Boom, knocked it out. I think I knocked out all the lines that need to be knocked out. Kind of went into my hairline too. The light is blasting, but yeah, I don't know, the light is blasting, so it kind of look kind of crazy, but this is what it's looking like. Hold on, let me change to this cam and see. Okay, but yeah, as you can see, this is the cut right now. Done faded out the side, and then kind of did the vertical bar, and then right here. And then I just got to do this other side, and then cut will be complete. I'll show the complete look at the end, and then I'll catch y'all later. Okay, now, okay, look, now the cut's finished. As you can see, lining is cool. This side, I feel like I gotta, like the line looks too harsh. I probably will go back and like redo that one a little bit, like fix it up. But here's the rest of the cut. Hopefully that's in the shot, but the back, look, don't pay too much to the back. The back, I don't really care too much because it gets covered anyway. But I just trimmed it down and kind of faded the best I could. Can only do so much with a mirror in my hand. I need like a 3-point mirror system, but whatever. And then as you can see, my hair kind of in the style. I kind of made this one up. I kind of like it. I look like a rooster, like a chicken, but this one kind of fine. But yeah, I even did my mustache. Look at that. Just added a little beard. In the morning, I'll probably shave even more right here, but the rest, I'm looking pretty cleanly, pretty proper, you feel me? But yeah, that's really it for this video. That's my little tutorial. Just me cutting my hair. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. It's been your boy Ozzy, and I'm out.